Hello, YouTube fans. This is the DJ Robot, and sorry for so late. Now, we'll just have to keep going. Now, I heard the rumor of the Skylander Imaginator, customizing the crystal and get everything, figured. And I might gonna get the Wolfgang figure. He's a part of my favorite character, Skylander. He's a villain master, yeah. But you use him as the figure.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
I'm still gonna use the bomb for now. Sooner or later I'll get the weapon. Yeah, I'm just gonna need to check in something. Yeah, the camera, I think I might be fine for now. Hopefully. Now the map. Yeah, I know. But now I'm just gonna go with that planet. Yeah, I have to locate for Skid McMark, Skid Agency. So. Right. Now. And here it is. We found Skid Mark.
It's him, Skid McMarks.
That man from the infobot.
In the flesh, little dude. You guys get a load of that epic space battle I was in?
We saw ya, screaming for help.
That was like a war cry. My agent and I got ambushed on the way to hoverboard practice.
Did he survive the crash, sir?
He's okay, but I've had a little trouble getting back to my ship due to my sprained ankle.
Oh, come on.
If you can take out all the sand sharks, I just might have a spare hoverboard for you.
We'd love to help you, Mr. McMarks, but Ratchet and I need to find Captain...
One of your boards? I've always wanted a decent hoverboard. Well, alright. You just keep that foot elevated.
Okay, so what we gotta do here is destroy the sand shark. Let's get this. Broken ankle? That's pretty bad. I wouldn't call either. Even though he doesn't have a weapon. So we gotta do it to attack. Honestly, somehow when they did reboot Ratchet and Clank game, for the PlayStation 4, it's kind of gave me the bad thing about the original one. I gotta try to remember this is the classic game. Although there's a difference, So, even though, Chaos is now gonna bring to the figure, yep, Chaos Master. Yeah, I know, he's a villain, but, I got the Chaos Crystal Trap and the trophy, so maybe I might buy Chaos figure for now. If they make it another Skylander game and make it Chaos figure, K-A-O-S, well, And I found the gold bolt. Yeah, there's nothing there. So, right. And, I think yeah, Tokyo Game Show, they bring in some, all the new stuff, even they making another Dynasty Warrior game. One of them I like, and one of them I don't like. Especially when I saw some video, I don't know, it's a joke, kind of wish it wasn't. But, maybe 2017, they might gonna prepare for, Sonic Dynasty Warrior style. I still don't know what happened to the Gundam. I mean, I know they did make 4 games. I don't know when they're gonna make a 5th, but who knows. Either way, I didn't get the Hyrule Warrior for the Wii U. Too bad though, they're gonna prepare for Nintendo and X. Which is, I think that I found the sign said the Sonic Dynasty Warrior gonna put in the Nintendo NX. Why it could have been in all the systems? I don't know. It's just a rumor. It's just a rumor. So hold on. Sorry about that. I lost my mind. Anyway, it's just a rumor. But now, only heard a rumor, and they pretty much more another Dynasty Warrior game, but skip this. Ninja Gaiden is there and the others. It's not Ninja Gaiden Dynasty Warrior. It's All-Star Dynasty Warrior. And you'll see it, for sure. I still have some, you know, the other figure I have for, you know, that I might sell for Tsubishi, and you'll see when I put the, you know, announce. But now, let's concentrate it on this. Yeah, I'm losing the health and boom.
Here, man. Catch.
A brand new Z3000! You can't even buy these!
Well, I got a bail. Catch you dudes at the hoverboard races.
You've just acquired a Gadgetron Z3000 hoverboard. Use your new hoverboard at the racetrack in Blackwater City on Lake Wilgon.
Yeah, boom. My health is lower, and I might gonna die at this one, but maybe. So I almost lost the health, and I beat all of them. Why not? Yeah, I'm gonna look around to see if there's anything else. And I don't think there's nothing around here. No. And we got the hover boot, the hoverboard, and isn't that what they call it? Yeah, hoverboard. So you can use it for hoverboard racing. But you need to get to the planet. I forgot what the planet is. Anyway, Skip is now heading back to the home. So now we're gonna find his agent. Then this mission will be done. Even if you come back here, you'll, you know, find the gold bolt. Yeah.
I got some great bargains for you today.
Yeah, I'm not buying a weapon yet. You gotta use it well, use it wisely. Here it is, here's the rest one, here's the fireball. Okay, while I'm here, I'm gonna look at the map just in case. Yeah, I'm looking at the map. Let's see. Let's find agent is your swing shot. I think I'll find the. Yeah, I'll find him first. Alright. Yeah, I'll find him first. Yeah, sometimes you can buy the weapon or whatever, but just to be careful that if the enemy have a flame to get you. Alright, you all know the Chompy mage, right? Well, he was supposed to be sorcerer, but turns out he's the Pushuka class, you know, cannon, missile. Yeah, I just found out. Yeah, the website somehow just found out the Chompy mage and rumor. Now the Chompy mage might be interesting because now he's a missile Pushuka. You know, different classes, how they work. The Clank though, you know, he was part of he was going to be, when I captured him in the dark element, the crystal. But in the imaginary? Yeah. Clank Crow is a fire element and he's a ninja. I don't think I don't want that. No. I don't think I don't want that. Ooh, see that? Ooh. Now there will be yeah. Yeah, there will be the Skylander imaginary game. And when I found out the rumor about the posting, the light and dark element, the character for, you know, master the Skylander. Only 2 characters. Like, one will be a new character, and the other one to bring back the villain, and one of my light elements, the robot thing. And yeah, there's a dark element character, and that is some interesting. 4-arm, and he's a ninja class. Yeah, awesome. 4-arm ninja. I mean, I forgot what his name. But anyway, yeah. And you know, Hosticle, one of Sentinel class, and I don't like it putting him in a dark element. He was supposed to be the undead, but I guess that they get difficult to tell you when the Wolfgang is the undead element, which is 3 undead element characters are interesting now, you know, the master, because first of all, there's a Bone Slinger class, Wolfgang, Smash class, I forgot what its name. It's a small, but it's a good hit. And the Sorcerer class, which is that's very interesting, and this one I might gonna like this guy, Pit Boss. Yeah. Yeah, this one is not a good guy. So there have to be another way if you want to get a size. So there it is. See? Yeah, and then nothing else there. Too bad. Sorry, too bad. So yeah, like I said, his boss is a snake sorcerer class. And that guy is interesting, very interesting.
No signal whatsoever! This downtime is killing me!
Do you need medical attention, sir?
Don't be so literal, son. The problem is I'm stranded on this backwater planet and my star client is nowhere to be found.
Hey, we saw you on that info bot. You're Skid's agent.
Was Skid's agent. Haven't seen him since our ship crashed. And an agent without a client is like a flea without a dog. Say, you look like an athletic kid. If you can bring back the championship prize from the hoverboard races in Blackwater City, I'll make you my next star.
We have no time for trivial matters, sir.
I could be the next Skid McMarks.
Okay, so, yeah, we have to bring this. Yeah, we'll come back to the planet, like, we don't have something in a, like, we have to come back here and I know where it is. Yeah, I played this game before and, we need something to bring the prize and, he, you know, he might give us something else. Yeah. Now, yeah, we're heading back to the ship. Yeah. So, like I said, yeah, I see the gold bolts in there, and I think I know how to get there. I'm sort of to remember something. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, the his boss is a snake sorcerer character. Pretty awesome, undead character. Yeah. Now, the Pinata had been confirmed that he is a master, smash class. Unfortunately, did a different thing. I don't know how to get there, but how do you do it? Oh, that was a close one. That would have been a difficulty. Right. right. Sorry. And whoa, yeah, that was a messed up. Yeah, I don't think you can destroy it, and that one's been messed up because I was stuck. In there. Just don't do something like this, yeah. Trust me. Nothing you can't destroy that thing. Unless there's a powerful weapon. But you can't tell. So yeah. But I don't know about bad juju that it's going to be an Skylander Imaginator Master. Like it could be the sword or buckler or I don't know. And there it is, the gold bolt. Here it is. Alright, I guess that's everything. But there is something on this. Whoa, what? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I think I almost forgot. I don't know, you can't go back. I mean, wrong wall again, something. Sorry. Yeah, not gonna work out, but that'll do. So, yeah, and anything, hold on. Yeah. Going back in there, and here's why. Yeah, here is why. I'm going back in there because there's another stuff I need to check. Yeah, here it is, and yep, screen. Fine. Now let me see. How do I put this together? Like, I don't know what else. If you a fan of Pokemon, you know, Sun and Moon, then you know the trailer that, you know, an interesting Pokemon that it looked like an ape. But there's different versions. Like one Sun look like a monkey, the other version is an ape, and that's how it's going to be. And you know the different evolution in the different version between Sun and Moon, right? Yeah. Oh, I didn't know. Yeah, I didn't know. Yeah, that was a close one. I thought I'm going to die. Yeah, that's not funny, I know. I know that's not that funny. Right. So... yeah. I think this is it for now. Now then, I have to keep going and... Alright.
You can use the right controls to control the camera. If you'd like, you can reverse your camera controls. Just select Camera from the Options menu.
Alright, so, yeah. Gonna go check something. I think I solved something, but... Nah, my mistake. So, yeah, this is the hardest part, you know. For me, somehow, this is the hardest part outside, and that and the boss. You know. And, whoa, wait. Oh, that was a close one. I thought I was going to die. Seriously, I thought I was going to die. But, man, it's difficult for me to speak very well. Alright, so let's just go around and keep going. Alright, here it is. Let's see what they have, and there it is, the new Gadgetron.
Yes!
Using the latest in precision laser technology, the Gadgetron Trespasser is guaranteed to work on Gadgetron's line of Invinso lock security doors.
Alright, so I looked down and I wanted to check it out, and there it is. Gold. And how would I get out? Hard to say, really. I mean, I would fall down, but that would lose the, you know. So I look around, and there's a slingshot. Made it. Yeah, I don't know what else is down there, but it's a long way down, so you wouldn't want to go there. Right, so, all I gotta do is use the key thing to do hacks.
Lasers are mounted on each ring of the Invinso lock. Aim the lasers at the receptors on the outside ring to turn them green. All receptors must be green before the Invinso lock will open.
Alright, we got the hackers thing, the track pad. Yeah, that was a new Gadgetron called. Gadgetron. Alright. Looks like we're okay. I would have been better to go this way, but I'm just following it. You know. Just for now. Maybe the reboot might be doing something better. Maybe something doing better. So all I gotta do is to get out of here. We'll come back later once we win the Grand Prix, right? And yeah, I wouldn't take that one. You know, when you go in and out. Yeah. Oh, that kind of is too bad. So Yeah, somehow I'm taking a shortcut. Alright, that's all for... Oh, wait. Yeah, I'm checking... Yeah, I have to bring something. To bring prize to agent. Yeah, in order to do that, win a hoverboard. Yeah, see? You need some kind of... Well, yeah. There is something there, but I'm not sure I'll be able to go there. Well, I'll find out soon. Oh,
Hello,
sorry,
citizens
I'm
of-
very sorry. And... Alright. We're heading to the next planet to stop the direct, to destroy the direct army to destroy the tree. Alright, that's all for a video today. Hope to see you next time. Alright then. Bye.